In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers in QuickBooks Desktop. If you're setting up your customer list or simply need to add someone new into your records, QuickBooks Desktop makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go, what you'll see on the screen, and how to save a new customer properly so everything stays organized. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and look at the top menu bar. From there, click on Customers. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Customer Center. This is the main area where QuickBooks stores and manages your customer information, so anytime you want to review, edit, or add customer records, this is usually the place to start. Once the Customer Center opens, you'll see your list of customers that have already been added to the system. This section is helpful because it lets you quickly confirm whether a customer is already in your records before creating a new entry. Taking a moment to check this can help you avoid duplicate customer profiles, which can save time later and keep your books cleaner. Next, go to the top left area of the Customer Center window and click New Customer. This opens the form where you can create a new customer profile. At this stage, you'll enter the customer details you want to add. Depending on how you use QuickBooks, this may include basic information like the customer's name, billing details, contact information, and any other relevant fields shown in the form. Just fill in the information carefully and make sure it matches the customer's details accurately. As you enter the information, it's a good idea to be consistent with how you name customers, especially if you manage a large list. Clear and organized entries make it easier to search for customers later, create invoices, and track transactions without confusion. After you've entered the customer's details, click Save. Once you do that, the new customer will be added to your customer list, and it will now appear inside the Customer Center along with your other records. And that's it. You've successfully added a customer in QuickBooks Desktop. As you can see, the process is quick and simple. Open the Customers menu, go to Customer Center, click New Customer, enter the information, and save it. Thanks for watching, and if you're following along inside QuickBooks Desktop, you should now be ready to add new customers anytime you need.